Today we're back with Skillcraft AI, and today we are on Marvel Rivals to figure out how to redeem your code and even get your own Iron Man skin. So first of all, we are in the loading screen. You're going to click on the top right-hand corner, the settings icon, so click on that. Then we're going to click on settings, and we are going to, apologies, we are actually going to look for bundle code. So clicking on bundle code, this is how you redeem any kind of code. And if you want your Iron Man skin, we're going to enter this code NWAR8-4K3XQY. So click use, and I have actually already got this code before the video. So to show you what the Iron Man skin looks like, I'm going to show you it right now. I'm going to click on my heroes, and this is the Iron Man skin you are going to get. It is pretty cool, and it is in a different color than the generic red Iron Man. That is all on how to redeem codes and get this cool Iron Man skin. Make sure to like and subscribe to support this content.